Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Oportun credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Oportun credit card online, first make sure to open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in Oportun.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of Oportun. Go to the upper right hand corner and click on the login button. From the options displayed on the screen, select the login button right next to credit card. Now, on the next page, you'll need to log into your credit card account by entering your email and your password. Enter the email associated with your account in the first text box and head over to the next field and type in your password correct. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link beneath the login button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. After typing in your credential, click on the login button in green and you'll be able to log into your Oportun credit card online. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.